Hello, 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 lifestylers. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Get Ready with Me. This is actually, guys, it's a Get Ready with Me and an unboxing. Yes, so welcome to another Get Ready with Me and another unboxing. And this is your girl Yoli. You don't know. This is Lifestyle with Yoli channel. And no other than your girl Yoli. So guys, if you are new over here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. Remember to turn your post notification on and also give your girl a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section, guys. Interact with me. I'm very interactive in the comment section, guys. I'm always checking my comment section. So interact with your girl. Let me know if you're liking the vlogs. Let me know if you like it over here. Let me know what you like. All right? Just keep it cute, Keep it very decent in the comment section. Anyways, I really don't have to worry about my comment section, really. It's always, pleasant, maybe for now, until you're a girl, Anyways, guys, so let me get into it, guys. So anyways, it's Kamani's birthday on Tuesday, on February the 25th. So Kamani wants to go out for dinner tonight. So we're going for dinner, and maybe we go for the movies or go to the arcade somewhere. I don't know what we're doing, but we're going to eat first. So anyways, guys, I got this sneakers from, I think, November, guys. And the sneakers has been sitting in my room in a corner because I'm like, let's do an unboxing with my subby. So guys, I saw the sneakers on I think it was a YouTuber or a TikTok, on her channel. Like, she was reviewing these shoes, and she was telling us how nice this shoes feels. And guys, I have to really wear sneakers that supports my back, right? Good support sneakers. I like a good support sneakers, yeah. So anyways, guys, I forgot forget the name of the sneakers, but let's open it together. I think some of you guys are gonna like it. I hope it's still I know some of you guys are gonna like it. I don't know if it's still on the website. Yes, let me see what it's called. It's called Nike Zoom Vomero Room. Guys, I have these shoes over 3 months, and I like me can't return it, so I hope me like it still. Ooh, guys, I do love it. Look at the detail of the shoes. The shoes look comfy, guys. So it has, like, the orange bottom. Guys, this is what I like about sneakers. Like, I like to have this support, this kind of platform here. And guys, I love how I don't have to tie the shoes lace. Okay, yeah, isn't it nice? Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys would wear it. Yes, and around here, yeah, see guys, it says Nike Zoom Vomero or whatever. So it's Nike Zoom Vomero. So I really like it. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear it with tonight. So so guys, I have this. I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna put the camera on the bed, guys. So guys, this is what I will be wearing. Guys, you remember this t-shirt? So I'm wearing this t-shirt, this Calvin Klein sweater, and this track pants, this DKNY. Yeah, and then I hope it match with the sneakers, guys. But even if it don't match, I them I wear same way. So, guys, let's get dressed. Guys, let's get dressed. So, put on my socks, guys. Guys, I'm gonna throw on the wig and do a quick face beat. All right. So guys, let's do a quick beat. Quick beat. So guys, I use the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. So guys, I use the NYX concealer, golden honey to clean up around my brows. And I'm using, guys, I don't know what, the MAC. Hey, I have this so long, guys, I can't even see what number it is. Guys, when I talk, I just have to because time is going. I'm gonna know then soon comes the mom. Are you ready? Babe, turn off the fan for me. Please. Yes! Huh? The nail clipper? Yeah, it's in the drawer. Up here. So guys, remember I told you that this is, you call it a spoolie? Yeah. So I just use that, guys, to make it look natural. I don't want, take out all of the lines. So it just looks, you see?
You got places to go.
I just told them that you guys are going to come and do this. Oh, me know you saw. Huh? And it wasn't even 2 minutes after I said it. So guys, I use... Okay, I'm ready. I'm almost ready. Why your ears is covered? 2 minutes and I'll be ready. So guys, I got this sponge from RT. I got it from Walmart. Doing a little makeup from it. Just a little.
I want to watch.
You want to watch? Promise not to watch, guys. That's not a good idea. So guys, and I wet my sponge, guys. I wet my sponge. So while that is there, guys, I'm gonna put the glue on my, actually, no. I'm gonna, today, guys, I'm using the NARS MD5 foundation. Oh, shoot. Guys, I did not put,
Can I try?
hmm?
Can I try it?
When you're a big girl.
You help me?
Of course. By that time, Mom will be a pro and know what she's doing. God. This one is a little darker than my complexion, but I will even it out with my concealer. And guys, I'm not doing too much because I gotta go. They just came to tell me, Mom, let's go. Right? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, go downstairs and sit because I don't want makeup to catch your clothes. Go downstairs and wait on Mommy. I'll be right there. 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, see, I just put a little bit. So I'm gonna put on some concealer now to brighten up under the under eyes. Yeah. You see, guys, brighten up under my eyes. Guys, I'm gonna contour with my Fenty stick, and this is Espresso number 5. So this I will get, so it don't look white. So this will bring back the color into my face and straighten up the flat nose a little. So you just blend it in, guys. Blend it in. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Canufa Easy Bake to press, to set my face a little. Guys, quick beat. And guys, after this, I'm gonna put on the setting powder and no, the setting spray. And then while my face being set, I'm gonna put on the lash. Well, the glue drying on the lash. That is enough, guys. I need not more than that, guys. Smooth out the girl. Okay. So guys, let me put these away. And I'm gonna set my face. Forgive me on the noise. So I'm gonna set my face with this Morphe setting spray. Guys, I'm not put too much because I never put a lot of makeup on my face, so I don't need too much. That is good. Everything will melt in together now. So guys, now I'm gonna put on my lash. So guys, I've been using these lash from Walmart. They're called Purplicious. These are Purplicious. It's the what do you call it? It's the 3D Fox Mink. Yeah, but I have these ones that's out already. And I'm using the Q lash glue. So let me put these on. Guys, that was a quick beat, right? Quick beat. I'm gonna put on a wig. Quick. Guys, can you see? The camera needs to come down a little bit. Aquan! Guys, this is how I put on the glue. And then guys, what this is a new thing I see a lot of the makeup girlies doing. They put the glue on their over their lash too, so glue stick on glue. Ooh. glue and glue. So when you put glue and glue, it sticks better. Akon?
Mom,
Hmm?
what did I find?
You find a heart?
Yeah.
Okay.
Disgusting me.
Hmm?
Disgusting.
So glue and glue, guys. So I'm gonna throw on the wig now. And then I what do you call it? So I'm gonna throw on the wig. And you guys know this wig.
Hey, why you doing it?
So wig is on, guys. Easy 1, 2, 3. See? Just gonna use some mousse. And yeah, so but before I do that, let me put on the lashes. So guys, where this lash giving me problem today. There we go. And guys, always press down your lashes. So guys, I'm gonna fix these. Huh?
Roll downstairs.
I'm ready.
Alright, then bring the camera with you.
What?
It can move.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm just fixing my hair and come.
Well, when you say you're ready, it means 20 minutes.
No, I am literally ready. Literally. Like no capping. Is that how it goes? Huh?
Well, let's go.
No capping?
Don't say that again.
What?
Don't say that again.
Why?
Don't.
The boys have enough to say that again. No capping, Aquan. Guys, I'm not a baby hair comber. Just a try thing.
No, I can fix it. I fix it.
Guys, this will help it to melt in. And I'm gonna put the band over it for 2 minutes. Okay, wash my hand, guys. Okay, so the color when I wear, I don't want to mess up my clothes. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this quick beat. As I'm gonna get put little lotion, put some perfume, put some accessories, and then out we go. So guys, I'm wearing Jimmy Choo. Guys, my hand full of lotion. Jimmy Choo. Okay. I'm gonna get my bag and my let's see if I can let you guys see my fit. Okay guys, I'm coming down. Aquan. Guys.
Say sorry, Aquan.
Aquan, nobody make shit. Aquan, I'm trying to do and get ready. You're gonna make me take longer.
Mom, you just were saying you're ready. Oh my god.
Sorry.
This is why I knew we should have been ready for a long time.
So I'm ready. Where's your car?
I'm hungry. We're driving my car?
Yes, my car oil needs to change. Where is it?
Outside.
So guys, I'm wearing silver. Should I wear silver? Or my gold? I think I can wear my gold. Okay. Look a gold ring. I think I'll wear this one, guys. Guys, I forget that I said I was gonna put the headband on.
You have money too, money?
Yeah, go put it in your savings.
The other money.
Guess I'm gonna put this on.
You have 3 monies now?
As I can't look in the camera. Oh, there's a mirror back there. Okay. My chain. Let me see. My watch. And my Pandora bracelet. Pandora bracelet is silver, but I wear this with everything. Everything and every day. Hey.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I can't get this on.
I'll help you.
Aquan, are you downstairs already?
Everyone's down here.
Promise is up here. What are you talking about, Promise? I'm up here with my mommy.
I'm up there with my mommy.
Guys, I'm struggling to get this one on. And everybody gonna leave me. Except Promise. Okay. Okay, guys, let me see if you can see my fit. Still can't see it good, guys. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me turn it this way a little and see if you can.
Hurry up!
Aquan? Holy my foot.
Well, you can do all that down here.
What am I gonna do down there? I have nothing down there.
Where are Mama?
As I'm gonna wear this bag. So I'm gonna put stuff from my everyday bag in it. Okay, guys. I'm finally ready. I'm gonna show you my fit. Give you a proper look at my fit. So guys, here is the fit. So the sneakers went well with it after all. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. See ya. What's guys? Oh, babe, my stick. Did I put it down? Turn off what?
The light.
Oh, it's okay. Did I leave my stick there? Thank you. Careful. Money, careful. And next time you hold her hands. If you're walking and you see her trying to come, you hold her hands. Guys, they might rush me. Wow. Where are we gonna walk from this? Whoa. Watch the dirty car. Don't touch the dirty car. Go. Go. Step, go like this. Daddy coming. So nobody open no door for me? It's like that. Huh?
I was in the car first.
So you come out and open it. Don't know that's how it goes? Huh? It's cold in here. Your washer fluid low again.
Literally there.
What do you do?
Let's go to ride.
Let's go to eat. Hello guys, I'm back. So we're all on board. Heading to go celebrate Mr. Manny. Where Manny there? Can't see Manny, guys. And guys, trying to make camera, I don't know how to see them back there. Where's Manny? What's wrong with them, promise? Nobody's talking. They're all hungry. Huh? Anyways, guys, we're en route to Mandarin. Guys, that was Manny and Akon's request. Because they want to eat. So, we are going and can eat. Yeah, where they can go for first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, the whole works. So come along with us. Yeah. And guys, remember to wish Kamani a happy birthday. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try and drop this birthday vlog maybe and Kamani know. Because I'm gonna do one with his cake too. So this is gonna come after Kamani's birthday, but you know, wish Kamani a happy birthday. Kamani will be 12 years old. I hope him start acting age and stop provoking little sister and be more responsible, because he's 1 year away from the teenage life. Yeah, so you come to the lifestylers. Hi. Hello. You see how them stay, guys? Oh my god. Why you guys are such party poopers? These guys fine. Akon, can we get some music? Birthday boy. Let's see a better look on the fit here. The fit is fitting. What do you think of the fit, Akon?
Nice.
Like my sneakers?
Yeah.
Greedy. They didn't get you a plate, Mama?
Ice cream.
Which one do you want? You want Daddy to take? Where's Dad? Babe. Huh? There's pizza somewhere you want to. I think. Okay. This is my first plate. It's Akon's first plate over there. Birthday boy. And the girl. The girl. promise, the girl. Father, we thank you for this food. Please bless it to be nourishing to our body. In Jesus' name. What do you have it? Huh? What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink, Mama? Apple juice? You want chocolate milk?
Did she sit there?
Huh?
She sit there.
Maybe her dad will sit there, I don't know. Sweet and sour sauce is nice on the noodles. Birthday boy. Look on your craving. Look on the plate. Yes, whipping.
Season, more season. What's that? More season? Is that hot meat? More hot meat. Yeah.
Let's see it.
Nothing really.
Interesting.
Nah, who chucked my Sprite?
Yeah. This is good, Ikram.
Nah, who chucked my Sprite? I didn't put a straw in it. It was you.
This is good.
It was you. You chugged it.
This is good.
The shrimp?
I like it. Mania, that shrimp is good. Wipe your nose, man. Everybody full? I'm scared to show my teeth.
That's mine. I should know that.
There's Grace's live.
I'm gonna use the washroom. Are you coming? Or are you gonna go by yourself?
Where you guys going?
Actually, no. We'll just go when you finish your ice cream. Washroom.
Guys, I'm full.
So it's not 6 times already.
It don't count.
One money.
I'm stuffed there. Oh, we have food.
It's like,
At your hand. Open it. Open it.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Gonna get strawberry. You done? Hmm? The birthday boy. How much time is this, Money? How much time is it? How much time this? Did you go back?
Like 4? 12.
Who went 12 time?
Huh? What?
And you went what, 2 or 3?
4.
The way, or you did a plan for eat?
You made me lose my appetite.
Me.
It took way too long.
Try a bite? Try a bite. Try a bite.
They get that party. You have sugar in there? What kind of cake do they have there?
Lots to choose.
Manny, aren't you gonna eat no cake? Huh? No? You're not gonna eat cake? You guys really done?
Okay, so.
Huh? I'm gonna see what dessert they have.
Oh, go ahead. I'm having tea.
Guys, my belly.
So we gotta put.
Let's look at this. Promise. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kamani. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Blow your candle. Thank you.
I'll take a picture of yours. I can print it, okay?
Okay. Please go before us, Lord God. Make every crooked path straight. Overturn every powers of darkness and every plan of the enemy. Destroy principalities and powers of darkness. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to another vlog. This is your girl, Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with the one and only Yoli. Yeah. We love the line there. We love the catch there, guys. I'm gonna use it more often. Anyways, guys, happy Sunday. What are you guys cooking today, guys? Even though this vlog, I don't think it's gonna I don't think I'm gonna drop it today, but what are you guys cooking? What is for Sunday dinner? Guys, I don't know what's for Sunday dinner yet. I might grab salmon on my way home, but knowing Obi might whip up something. Yeah, guys, to tell you the honest truth, I don't go crazy with Sunday dinner like before. Yeah, whatever I cook, I cook. Sometimes I cook the rice and peas in the week, because when I cook it, the kids don't sometimes eat it as much, right? So yeah. Anyways, if it's your first time over here on my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember to turn your post notification on. So whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah. And for all my lifestylers family, my real OGs that's been around from time, welcome and happy Sunday. And I hope you guys have a blessed week ahead. All right, so anyways guys, we're off to church. You know, we're regular Sunday schedule. As long as I'm off work, we're gonna go in the house of the Lord to give him thanks. Yes, we're gonna go worship him as long as we're off. So today is Youth Sunday. Promise is tired around there. She's yawning.
Why are you sorry?
Why I put the camera on you? And then you got Kamani here. Mani, tell the last sellers hi. Look.
Hi.
Yeah, and then you have Aquan here. Big up the last sellers then Aquan.
Hello.
Hello. You always be telling you guys hello, like say wagwan.
Hello.
Say wagwan. Huh? Ask them wagwan. Guys, y'all not get, yeah? Oh, I forgot my cup and I forgot water bottle.
Guess we gotta leave early then.
What?
I guess
You're
we gotta
so ungodly.
I said I guess we gotta leave early.
For
then.
what? We can grab a water on our way
We
there.
gotta leave church early anyway.
Why couldn't you come up with, I guess we gotta stop at the store and grab one on our way down?
Yeah, you can stop and grab one on your way down.
Yeah. Promise, how could you, Dad didn't put that water in your bag? Huh? No.
You put cake on it.
Cake? Oh, okay. As I normally would bring my water cup. My Stanley. But or one of them would remember the Stanley. Nobody remember Stanley today? Huh?
You always cuss us out when we drink, so I
Guys, they said I cuss them out when they drink out of my Stanley cup. No. They drink and they don't think about me. Or, you know, if they drink and say, okay, let me put back ice and water in my cup after we drink it out. No. Them just drink it out and leave it right there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna run. Yeah, I'm gonna chit chat with them. I have something to talk to Akon about, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Look at him. I say, oh my God, what is this now? Is that what you're saying? What? Anyways, guys, catch you in church. And guys, Tina will be bringing the word today. She's the one preaching today. Yeah, I might do a live with her preaching. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. All right. Guys, we're at church. I stopped and got a hot drink. Guys, come on. Aquan, pull down her skirt. Help her. Pull down her skirt. The front. I'm waiting. Aquan, hold her hands. Yeah, let him hold your hand because I have these in my hands.
Hold my hand.
Hold her bag. Money, hold her bag. You want Money hold your bag? Why are you guys going so close to the road? What is... Wait, this bus drive, wait here. This bus driver not like he want wait.
Hurry. Bus coming.
Careful. Guys, look at they didn't clean this sidewalk. Hold her good. Hold her bag for her. What is this? Were we supposed to walk the other side? What? Guys. Careful. No, tell me she'll be fine. What happened? Knock your feet off when you get up, Mom. Yeah. Money, open the door. Always open door for the ladies.
How was he not holding anything?
Like, that's what I want to know. Just with his hands in his pocket. Hey lifestylers, how is everybody doing? So guys, it's officially Kamani's birthday. Saturday night when we went out for dinner, that was his pre-birthday celebration. So it's officially his birthday. So you guys wish Kamani a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mani. So guys, all Mani wanted was food. And he was very specific about what he wants for his birthday. So he pretty much is getting exactly what he wants. He loves food and him little other stuff that what they depend on him. In wish list. But guys, hear what happened. I asked Kamani. I went in the shower, asked Kamani to turn off the oven, guys, and Kamani almost made the chicken wing them burn up. Almost burn up. Yeah, Kamani almost let the wings them burn up. So they're not as saucy as I would have it, because he kept them in the oven for too long and I was in the shower. So guys, come on, I'm gonna have him dinner. I promised. Ooh. You don't want chicken? Huh? You just want pizza? I promised that she wants 3 pizza. How much do you want, Kamani?
Oh, freak too? Are you hungry?
Uh-oh. It is
What's wrong?
real hot.
My costume. I can take it off.
I'm coming to help.
My leg chicken.
Guys, you know that's Kamani's jacket, Kamani Avan.
Mine have
And it
5
can fit
chickens.
Kamani real good. You take a lot, Mama?
Yes, I had free pizza.
She asked for 3. That mom gonna have 3 pizza. Is there chicken and dry up? Cool, yeah. Oh. Maybe I'll check the lighter. Good. So guys, Kamani birthday wouldn't be completed without what, Kamani? Not just birthday cake, not just any cake. Without what? There you go. Yeah, another candle, another silver thing over this one.
I'm gonna wait for you.
You want you guys pick up the candle? Wait, let me see come first. You can come around and see. Come on, eh? Come.
Promise. Come. Come.
That acorn is missing. I'll give you guys a better view. You sit on the, so guys, that's Kamani's cake. Let me come around. Ooh. Happy birthday, Kamani. sing happy birthday to Kamani before those candles start to break. Tina? Okay, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Yeah, come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kamani. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you seven? Are you eight? Are you nine? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? Make a wish, say a prayer, ask God, or talk to God in your own way, and blow your candle.
Can we help
In
the
your head.
candle?
Huh?
Can we help the candle?
Yeah, you guys gonna blow it together, but make your wish.
Make a wish, man.
And then blow.
Don't tell us your wish.
Don't tell us.
You on promise that they're helping.
1, 2,
3, blow! Woo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Money.
Money turned 12 probably.
Almost teenager.
Next year you're a teenager.
Can we
Yeah,
help?
next year we gotta do it big. Huh?
We need a space
I
with
don't like it.
music and
Yeah, no, we can.
entertainment and everything.
Yeah, next year we gotta do it big money.
Use back our garbage.
Garbage. Money. Next year we gotta get it all and invite your friends. Huh? Guys, out of all of the kids them, money is the lowest key. I think Akon did low key. Money.
They call it the lowest key.
I think this one will take off a Kamai than I think Kamani more have
No, we
Kamani.
not even know say carry this, we just walk.
I think Kamani more have Kamai's personality more than mine. Okay. Okay. Mine.
I promise.
Wait, hold on. Hold top. Promise you want to stand up? Go on your knees. Go on your knees.
On your
Yeah.
knees.
Yeah, knees, yeah. Your knees, mama. Kneel down. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Don't put your hands underneath, honey. Yeah. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
One
Yes.
more cut.
One more cut.
Money
Sorry,
just
sorry,
wanna
man.
dive in.
Put up your glasses. Yeah. Again. Okay.
One.
No, on top. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Cut.
Woo! I'm gonna try your cake. So, as you turn 12, I wish you all the best. They said anytime you get a year older, you have to step it up a notch. So you have to be a year
I
greater.
could be older, I could be princess.
You hear this guy? She's gonna be older. She's gonna be princess.
Says.
Yeah. So that means, we gotta work on ourselves. We gotta elevate ourselves. You understand? So I pray that this year, even in your academics, that it will be a stronger year for you, right? That you will work harder, work on the other little weaknesses, like keep it.
Your wish took a bit too long.
All right, guys.
Like, wrap
She
it
said
up,
it too
wrap it
loud.
up, wrap
All
it
right.
up, wrap it up.
But I love you with all my heart, and I wish you all the best, okay? And there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you, as long as this and the tongue have respect and manners. Yeah.
Why the people could discipline in there, could have just say what they have to say.
You have to say, babe.
birthday, Manny. I'm very, very proud of you, okay?
Very
Hope
happy
you start
birthday.
doing what-
Oh,
Oh my God.
and then
Yeah, I signed one. You won.
I said, oh, what can I say? This
I said it's done. I said it's done. Happy birthday, Maddie. I love you very much. I pray and I believe that this year will be a great year. You will do good in school. You'll do good with your friendships. You'll do good at home. You'll get all the things that you desire because you're just going to be a great kid, right?
Right? Yeah.
All right.
So what do you have to say to Manny, promise?
Nice.
Good
Huh?
night.
What do you say? Say something.
Say something to him. Are you gonna tell him happy?
He's nice.
Oh,
He's
he's
nice.
nice. Okay.
Ah.
And
So
you
say
love
thank
him?
you. She said you're nice.
Okay. He's a good brother.
Give brother a hug. Hug.
Give him a hug.
That's what I want.
That's what.
Ah.
Promise just want to get to the business.
All right. So you want to eat the piece of cake or you want to open your gifts?
Of my gift.
Okay. All right. Grab your gift.
I want it.
Yeah. Pick one. So that one is from Dad.
You want to bring the
And
camera
guys,
closer?
Manny was very specific about what he wants for his birthday.
Do you want the camera closer or you're good with it like that?
No, it's good.
Yeah, it's on the phone, please.
Happy birthday to Kamani from Dad.
Mom.
And mom, right? Probably so easy.
Yeah, make sure nobody get left out.
Robot.
Thanks,
Was that
Dad.
what you wanted?
Okay.
When you finish, play game. Oh, it
You want
actually
scissors? You know Amazon.
The mail actually reach.
You know Amazon.
Thing goes slow apart.
And you're a Prime member.
Even then, sometimes.
Last night, yeah, man.
Ooh.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like a head strap for my VR.
Oh, okay.
Open it. Open it.
So like it
Okay.
protects it from like getting dirty.
I think head one I have tight so this
Oh, so this black one was better.
Oh, make it
can adjust it.
adjusted. Oh, okay.
Oh.
So you're saying
Oh.
So you're sure?
This time, no.
It has the ant thing in there too.
you got the right hand.
There's more.
It's the Jamaican basketball.
It's
That's
the
the
what?
one?
Mm-hmm.
Is the
Good
Cuba
cute.
sign here?
Huh? Did you say promise?
Is Cuba sign here?
What did probably say?
What did you say?
Is Cuba sign here?
Yeah, it was inside there.
I get better
So
with
you know
birthday
money have a
something.
problem solving kind of mind
Right,
where
right.
you enjoys those things.
This one.
That's,
Maybe there's
my,
a card in it.
that's from me. There's no card.
You know on the box with it.
Once it's from mom, it's gonna be closed. Oh.
That is the toy and the
Oh,
What
mom
size
is
is that?
so boring.
What size fit that?
extra
I
large.
know.
It looks small.
Look small,
It
hold it up.
does.
You don't like it?
I like it.
It's
But it's
extra.
good.
Wear it like that.
Even the sleeve looks short.
Probably
It's 16.
It doesn't
This
change
is the biggest size boy
It
clothes.
doesn't change the fact that it looks small.
Probably just restricted.
Man, you know why no clothes in the guys in the stick it up.
I'm gonna look like
Must say,
Right?
must get better at the bottom.
So you know, look at me and say, oh nice,
Under.
oh my god.
Andy's.
And they say it must get better at the bottom.
I
Is
got
it
what you cake.
Is it getting better, money?
No.
No?
Guys, guys, I'm not buying no game and nothing like that. That's already.
doesn't get better.
What is this family?
So guys,
Okay, quite family.
this is where this vlog comes to an end. Remember to wish Kamaniak a happy birthday in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Thank
See you
guys
next
for
time.
tuning in.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Sharing is caring.
Oh, guys, you know, me say me not come back on the vlog at you, man.
Who call you?
Who call me? You dey for recording when they call me?
I must come and call you under me.
I wonder if you dey for recording.
call you.
Don't cut it up, you know, because we want it. Bye, guys.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?